What is cracking, guys? Welcome to the vlog. It is Wednesday the 6th of March. It feels like I haven't spoken to you guys in a long time, so I'm back vlogging, documenting, and yeah, this Friday I'm off to Madrid. I'm off to Spain to just have a couple of days of downtime with the boys. Yeah, just do what boys generally do, enjoy ourselves, watch a bit of football, and I'm about to go get a haircut. So I've just come out of the shower, taking the gel out of my hair, although it does look super greasy still. My hair just naturally just looks like it's gelled all the time. But listen, guys, I've missed you, and I'm just gonna just let you in on what's been going on, a little bit of a day in the life, and yeah, we'll get to the topic of this video very soon. So yeah, sit back, relax, like I always say, and I hope you enjoy this video. Right, so I'm off to get my hair cut. Look at this mess, man. Wanted to show you outfit of the day. So I'm wearing I think this is a Calvin Klein kind of, this is actually, I think what they wear to like go sleep. It's like their nightwear. But I really like this t-shirt, V-neck Calvin Klein, plain black t-shirt. I've got this I've had for about, I guess about, I'd say 5 years now, man. This is like a long line, kind of cardigan type thing from Zara. It's got a hood. If you know me well, you know I love this type of shit. Then I'm also rocking these kind of moon boots from Aldo. They're kind of cool. And then these jeans are from Zara. So most of my stuff usually comes from Zara, or kind of the odd occasion from a brand called All Saints here in England. I think it's worldwide as well. But Zara usually fit me well, like the length. I've got kind of long legs and it just fits me down to a T. I don't need to tailor them or anything like that. Check out the swag on these guys. They're really hit and miss, man. They're like Marmite. A lot of people don't like them, but fuck it, don't care. Let's go. I was just looking at myself. Imagine I kept my hair like this. What do you guys reckon? Do you think it'll suit me? Bit of like Justin Bieber-y. I don't think it'll suit me, to be honest with you. I'm a bit rusty when it comes to vlogging these days, guys. I think I have been so busy in front of the computer, in front of just doing loads of admin, loads of packaging, that I just don't know what to do on the camera anymore. I don't know what to say, don't know what else to show you. But I'm just gonna... Oh shit. Fuck. Who's calling me? Hello?
Rick, yeah, Rick.
Yeah, what's happening, man?
There's Austin. How are you gonna be?
No, I'm here, I'm parking up, man.
Oh, you're parking up? Alright,
yeah,
cool.
say bye.
Alright, cool, bye.
Bye. Here you go, man. I'm always late before going, man. Let's go check out my boy Vince. It's my cousin's little barber shop. Saturn and Vince.
Saturn, you alright?
You good?
Good.
Respect, man.
Good.
This is Vince the barber, guys. Check out his setup. Mad setup. This is where you see my Instagram stories late at night. We're gonna get it early today, aren't we, Vince?
Yeah, man.
That's it, man. Let's get this trim done. But getting a haircut, man, it's a precious moment for a man. It's like going to the gym, man. It's just a...
It's like therapy, you know?
Therapy, that's it, man. I'll come here, sometimes I go sleep, sometimes I get some ideas, sometimes I just, yeah.
Outside the box, isn't it?
That's it, man. That's it. Some of the best ideas that come from inside here, man, getting my trim.
Cruise like a four-wheel driving that. Tech time, everything's...
What do you reckon, you guys think we look alike? I don't know, man. Vince, you love to look like me, right?
Nah, you look more, you look like me, man.
So he's putting in a little line there with his, what's that, clipper, yeah?
Yeah.
What do you call that little clipper?
Trimmer.
Trimmer. So we get the line in here. So naturally, I have like a kind of partition in my hair. So that side grows that way. This kind of goes up this way. So naturally I have a kind of line already there, but we put this one back in. So that's when I actually style my hair. These days I wear hats all the time, but when I style my hair, then you can get to see that little line, and it just adds a little bit of style, right, Vince?
Yeah.
To be honest with you, I wouldn't change barber for shit.
Yeah.
If they cancel, they cancel, but... Trim now done, peeps. Looking fresh. Time to get paid, right? Let me get my money out. Time to get paid. Shit, I ain't got no money, Vince.
What is?
Banging trim. I don't want to go outside, man. Looks messed up. Look at this for a lock. Sick. Done. I'm super happy with it. I don't even have a beard, but somehow he makes it look like I got a kind of beard. My cousin literally smashes my hair every single time. Love the fade. And yeah, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna start doing some orders. I got to do some. I got to package up some things for a few people across the world, and we're just gonna get on with the day. We are close. We are close to launching the first ever Rope Rush as well. The Rope Rush event, that's going to go live. It's going to be an absolutely epic meetup event, guys, and it's going to be, what, in about 3 weeks now, March the 30th in London, in an area called Hammersmith, Really nice area, and the views, we've got like really killer views of the River Thames. The venue is really nice. I went to go see it the other day. I really want this to go global. I want it to go national as well around the UK. It's gonna be something where people can get together. We can do the workshops, we could do a workout. I can teach you guys some real interesting things on how to use your rope and get the most out of it. At the same time, it's just I really want to have a chance to see you guys in person, because like I said, I'm always talking on the camera for the last year and a half, 2 years, well, nearly 3 years. I don't know how long I've been doing this, but it's like, I love this. I love talking to the camera, and I even love it more when I'm talking to people in person and hearing you guys' stories. Every time I do a meetup, and when we go abroad or wherever we've done meetups, like that has been probably the highlight of anything I've done when it comes to Rush Athletics. Like, to have a chance to see you guys in person and hear exactly how far you've come, not with just your skills, but like in life in general, like how much this channel has affected you, how much you guys are just pushing towards those ambitions and goals. And when I do meet you in person, like, it feels like I've known you forever, and it's just such a brilliant, it's just an amazing feeling. Like, I don't think anyone can understand it. So that is why I'm going to hold this event. It's going to be a paid event, because we're renting out a really cool facility, and yeah, there's going to be a DJ. It's going to be lit, man. We're going to have big tunes. We're going to have goodie bags, free merch. Oh man, I can't wait. It's going to be sick. If you're watching this and you're a real loyal supporter, you must be. If you are watching my vlogs, then I would love you to please comment below and let me know where you would like Rope Rush to come, what town, what city, what country, and if you can get a crew together for me and to help me organise it, then I'm definitely on board, and it's going to happen very soon. In the RA HQ. It's cold, man. Let's close the door. Still tidy.
Remember, you need clipboards on the day for people to do the forms. You need...
Because it's basically going to take me 20 days, 25 days, I would say, to get it created and distributed and all that sort of stuff.
Okay.
Cool. All right, let me let you get on with your work and that, and I'll catch up with you soon.
All right, speak later.
All right. Yes, folks. Got my tea. Gonna be signing a few ropes. Did a giveaway on Instagram a couple of weeks ago, and I have been kind of slow with this giveaway, so sorry about that, Carmine. I'm hooking your ropes up now. You can hopefully see it, but it says, to Carmine, thanks for being... I can't even read it. Maybe I should have done it in silver. This one's for Liz. It says, thanks for the epic support. Stay legend. Rush. To do 5 o'clock right now. The day has flown by. A lot more orders to get through, and the collection comes in about 45 minutes. Man United are playing tonight as well in the Champions League. They're not doing too well. We're 2-0 down against PSG in the first leg. Need a miracle. I can't watch. Come on. He's done it! He's done it! Yo! Right, family, so I've got you in my one-to-one zone. Wanted to kind of touch on the topic of today's video, which is basically, it's about YouTube and whether or not it's just worth it, if it's, worth going full-time, what are my thoughts on it really. It's been nearly 6 months now that I've been doing this full-time, guys, and I was invited to the YouTube headquarters 2 weeks ago, and it was incredible. It was just an incredible experience. Like, I was invited. They basically phoned me up from the London offices, and they were saying to me that my channel had kind of sparked some kind of interest, or sparked something on their systems, which made them contact me. But basically what happened is, in the last 90 days, they had found that my channel had 1.5 million hours of watch time, which is just insane. 1.5 million hours total global watch time in the last 90 days, and basically it triggered something. They had to get in contact, figure out what I was about, what was going on, where I wanted to take the channel, and they wanted to set up a meeting, which we did. We went to the YouTube headquarters. They had studio rooms, they had a little spot where you could play video games, little jukeboxes, a little cafe, and it just really, it's a space where you can just get your creative kind of mind flowing. And we just discussed where YouTube was going to go for me, how to engage more and more people, and what the channel meant. And it just got me thinking, guys, like, about today's video is that so many people out there, if you guys are watching behind the camera, you guys are going to be thinking, oh, I'd love to be a YouTuber, I'd love to, like one day do this full time. And yeah, I would completely encourage it, like 100%, because it has changed my life. It's changed my life for the better, and it just allows me to be creative daily and get out to a lot more people and really help me grow my brand. And I use this platform. I've always used it for 3-4 years now, even before I was you know, monetizing or getting revenue or trying to sell products and things like that. I use it as a form of expression for being creative and allowing me to kind of share something amazing with the world. And that's why I'm always going to be indebted to YouTube, indebted to you guys who continue to watch me. However, without putting a downer on things, I need to show you and tell you and explain to you exactly what kind of goes through my head on a day-to-day basis. And for the last 5 months, it has been quite tough, to be honest with you guys, because you are very isolated. When I used to go to my office job, I'd have my colleagues that I'd speak to on a day-to-day basis. I'd have people that I'd be passing in and out and going on the trains and tubes, and you have that kind of feel of just interacting, linking, connecting with people. And here, although I have that with the camera, it's just a very much kind of lonely type of feel, because not only am I in here in the room editing, filming or planning my business, growing the business, the fact that we're still trying to expand at the HQ, there's so much work going on that I have no real time to get out there and work on collabs, you know, work in gyms and personal train and all this kind of stuff, which I love to do, which is why I brought out Rope Rush, because I want to, again, get that connection with people. I want to do meetups, I want to interact and really build the brand. And the way I see Rope Rush is a way for me to really get out there, incentivize me to go out to different countries and plan this and introduce it to gyms, introduce it to different trainers or personal trainers to then lead that class, that particular Rope Rush class globally. So I want to basically franchise it, and that's the long-term vision, because I really do believe in this class. The way I'll teach it is going to be really unique, the way I'm going to present it, and the feeling that everyone's going to get who attend this class is hopefully going to be absolutely unique and epic. So just to touch on this point, guys, I don't want to put it down on the video. I have absolutely loved the last 4 or 5 months, to be honest with you. I would never have been in a position to be able to talk to 30, 40,000 people to the world daily, be creative, create new products, just express like what I really want to express daily. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's, you don't understand like how humbled I am to have a crew like you who back me and support me and post videos and show me your progress and type incredible messages, man. Like, so many positive minded people out there, so many positive messages, and the energy is just phenomenal. So just keep that in mind, guys. If you are gonna hit YouTube, then you're gonna have to stick at it, you're gonna have to grind. It takes a long time. You know, 3 years before, maybe 2 years before I even got to 1,000 followers nearly. And yeah, it just kind of ramps up after a certain period. It's just really weird, like nothing really happens and you think, you know, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? I'm just wasting my time. And then all of a sudden something just happens, it clicks. And because you're consistent, because you're hungry and you're pushing and you're hungry to get those goals and ambitions, like YouTube will somehow reward you for your perseverance and kind of hard work, man. So that's, you just got to stick with it. Just keep it in mind though, because if my circle of friends like did this, it'll be absolutely amazing. It'll be the icing on the cake, because I'll be able to just kind of link them up every day. We'll be able to share content and do things. It's just not happening like that, which is fine. It's all good. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot more collabs next week. I've got a collab with Instagram, a really big Instagrammer, and yeah, that's gonna be real fire. And then also I'm trying to plan things worldwide as well to get me up and out of here and onto planes, man, because I need to get just out there seeing you guys. So yeah, that was my little chat for today. Is it worth it? 100% yes, but it does come with a few caveats, and you do need to really make sure that you're built for this, man. You need to make sure your mind is ready to go at it alone, and yeah, that you can actually like stay on top of it, stay creative, stay hungry, and make sure that you go after it. So that was a little talk. This clip is 5 minutes long, man. I talk for so long. Take a couple of seconds of your time right now, guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, to give me a thumbs up, give me a like. It will really help me, and it will allow me to know as well if you guys are enjoying this type of content. And it's kind of raw, it's a vlog, and yeah, I'm a bit rusty as well, so yeah, keep that in mind.